Alright everybody, welcome back. Today this won't be an outdoor video, but I recently had my dryer go down and I discovered the problem and just wanted to share this with you in case anybody else has this problem. This is a Whirlpool dryer, and when I go to press the start button, nothing happens. So if you go around to the back, first thing you want to do is unplug it from the wall. I already got it pulled away. Get this back panel removed, and you're going to want to come down here and check that thermal fuse. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. It's just two wires you pull off and then unscrew it here, and we'll check this thermal fuse. More than likely that's the problem. Alright, now that I got the old one removed, I'm going to check it and compare it to the new one. So you should hear a beep if it's good on the continuity. And there's nothing there. Now we'll check the new one. You can see that that one is clearly working, so that is the problem there. We're going to go ahead and replace this. They're only a couple bucks on eBay. Now before you go and do this, make sure you always have it unplugged. This will sit in there with that piece inside, just like so. And then you'll attach your screw that came with it, and then plug these two wires back in. Alright, now we have it installed. Let's go ahead, plug it back in and give it a test before we put the back cover back on. Let's give it a try. Perfect. So if you're having an issue with your Whirlpool, when you go to push the button to start it, nothing comes on, more than likely it's your thermal fuse that sits in there. And I just want to say again that I am not an electrician, and I don't recommend trying this yourself, but if you do, always safety first. Make sure you unplug it from the wall before you pull that back panel off. Alright, thanks.